Hello and welcome to Ramsport. In today's video we'll be diving in and revamping this Chevrolet Corvette C3 with upgrades to include the intake manifold, carburetor and exhaust headers. Let's get stuck in. The first task is to bring the vehicle into the workshop. Strip and clean the working area, ready for the new components to be added. Previous coolant leaks and corrosion have taken over this engine bay, so these upgrades will play a key part to upgrading performance, aesthetics and most importantly, reliability. The intake manifold is responsible for delivering the air and fuel mixture into the engine's combustion chamber, so it plays a crucial part in performance. We'll carefully remove the old manifold and install the new high-performance one to enhance the Corvette's power and efficiency. With the intake manifold replaced, it's time to move on to the next upgrade, the headers. Upgrading to high-performance headers can greatly improve the engine's breathing and unleashing a thrilling exhaust note. These headers are built to improve flow, reduce back pressure and enhance overall engine performance. Installation of these units is pretty straightforward, however, the exhaust system will require modifications as we move from a slip joint to a flange type. And finally, but no means least, the carburetor. We've chosen a Holley electronic choke carburetor, which offers improved fuel delivery and throttle response. The electric choke automatically adjusts the fuel mixture based on the engine's temperature. This ensures smooth starting, especially in colder weather. These upgrades not only enhance performance, but also preserve the classic charm and character for this iconic American muscle car. So whether you're a Corvette enthusiast or simply enjoy learning about automotive upgrades, we hope this video has been enjoyable and inspiring. Thank you for joining us today in our workshop. We'll be back soon with some more exciting projects and helpful tips. If you did enjoy this video, please consider becoming a subscriber. Until then, stay passionate, stay creative, and keep those wheels spinning.